Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to leave a review in Uber. Do you want to rate your driver or leave helpful feedback after a ride? Here is how to leave a review in the Uber app. So whether you had a great ride or not so great one, leaving a review helps improve everyone's Uber experience. First, launch the Uber Rider app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account like I'm logged in. From the home screen, go ahead and tap Account at the bottom right corner of your screen, and that's going to take you right to the Accounts window. From here, just go ahead and click on Activity. Or if you don't want to go through this process, at the bottom you're going to see Activity. Go ahead and tap Activity. It saves you the stress. You will see the list of your recent rides from here. Now tap on the ride that you wish to review. If the trip is recent and hasn't been rated, the app may automatically prompt you to rate it after it ends. A screen will appear asking you to rate your ride from 1 to 5 stars. 5 stars for excellent service, 1 to 2 stars if there was a problem. After selecting a star rating, Uber may prompt you to leave written feedback such as driver was friendly, car was clean, or report an issue like unsafe driving or a wrong route. Use the provided checkboxes or enter custom feedback in the text field. Tap the Submit or Send button once you're done. Your review will be recorded and sent to Uber anonymously. And that's it. You have successfully left a review on Uber. Leaving honest feedback helps Uber maintain high standards for both riders and drivers. If you ever need to report a serious issue, use the help section in the app. You can only leave a review after the trip has ended. If you accidentally skip the rating screen, you can still rate the trip later from your trip history. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.